Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany. This is Brittany speaking, and in this video I will be wrapping up my 5-day trip to Curaçao with my older sister Precious. If you're just tuning in, this is some of what you missed. My friends at Manta Sleep also sponsored the last video and provided me a Manta Sleep Pro to give away, and that will be announced in this video as well. It's a little cloudy out, but I am not mad at it, friends. Today is like a 4 to 5 hour foodie historical tour here in Curaçao. Our driver actually dropped us off at the wrong location, so we actually walked across the bridge. We were able to take some pictures of the Curaçao and the douche sign that they have out front. But I think I might see our person coming up, so I'm super excited to try some authentic food here, and I'm gonna enjoy my virgin pina colada while we get it going. Yes. You from the US? Yeah, in Florida, and we love boiled peanuts back at home.
So that's why it's an old thing. You can see the flag too, the orange flag, like now it's not moving, but if you hear the bell, that's a sign that it's gonna move.
Colors here.
I don't want nobody falling down. Instead of ending at the old plaza with screws, we'll be ending in the hospital.
I know, right? Yeah.
From there they would span a chain. 2 chains from that side to this side. So close the harbor completely.
Wow.
By rowing boat in 12 minutes, they could close the whole harbor. So that's what made it basically possible for them. Curaçao.
After our morning smoothie and stop at Fort Riff, Bart, our foodie tour guide, drove us around Curaçao, and we viewed murals from local artists on our way to our next stop as we sampled saltfish pancete. It's hot.
This is fresh.
It's sweet. It is.
Yeah.
The bread has a little sweetness to it.
In the crust.
We then made our way to Zing Long restaurant for their famous douche lumpia, along with their chicken and potato meal. Cheers to lumpia! Oh my god, that is so good. Oh yeah. Because I would eat this whole thing, and I just ate that.
So you still have the medium and the large.
And that's And that's a small.
Imagine eating that for lunch and
Oh
going back
my
to work.
gosh.
I get it.
I would be ready to go to sleep.
So in the French, the story I told you, they would come in over here and they beach him over there, but they didn't know about this fort. So they got shot at and they tried to go up the cliff over there, the hill. And that is pretty high because that was where we were on.
Yeah.
That means keep Curaçao clean.
Aww. The biodiversity that y'all have here, like with the cactus and just, like all the different plants. It's almost deserty.
But again with those French, over here in the back, we got Spanish water. That's why they can enter it.
This is absolutely beautiful, but scary. I'll stay back here.
That's it.
Yeah, we're back in Nevada.
It's a really small thing, but once you get closer,
Oh, you look cute. Like Rocky.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, I need it.
Oh man. Sir, you are one brave man.
No, if you fall from a view, you won't be dead.
You just be hurt.
Yeah, because of the cactus.
Yeah. And your pride. That is gorgeous. Oh, that. I want that picture.
All the way in the top, and then you have the real 360 view. So you can just climb up there.
Oh. Let's see. Am I going to do it? No.
It's not that hard.
Okay. Yeah,
My
you gotta
8-year-old
get.
does it.
Okay. Well, they're fearless.
Oh my God. Oh, girl, where's the heater?
This is your height.
The fan. I need my fan. For this.
You want me to
I'm
do
gonna
it
climb
first?
up. Yeah. Yeah. Look at us, girl.
Girl.
All right, we're about to go up, friends. All right. This is so amazing. But this is still a war ground. Like, this war took place, battles took place here.
Where's Brittany? Raw and uncut.
I know, she's
For
going in a
Beckenberg.
cave, a cave dark hole.
Right.
Right. I'm gonna have to take all that stuff off.
Do you want to do oxtail?
Let's do goat since we
Let's do
kind of can
goat.
get oxtail almost anywhere.
The goat?
Yeah.
The goat stew?
Yeah.
All right.
Ooh, girl. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yours. It is almost like fufu. Wow.
After this, it's nappy time.
It is. My goodness.
Yes, girl.
Precious. I know, time to go. Yes. Back to life, back to reality. First one's on the flight, Precious.
I used to pay for that. I used to pay for it with,
First one's on the flight from Panama to Orlando. Let's go. What's our seats? 3s?
3A, 3B.
Okay. This is our last leg, and then we make our way back to Orlando, sadly. But this is the longest leg, so I decided to get us the upgrade to first class so we can be in comfort. Yeah.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it?
Alrighty, my friends, this is where I'm gonna let you all go. But first, I'd like to thank everyone for watching and thank everyone who watched my previous video and told me their favorite color. Shout out to everyone who loves pink and rose gold. Those are my favorite colors as well. And an extra shout out to the winner of the Manta Sleep Pro giveaway, which is Tiffany PRUITT 945, whose favorite color is sage green. Tiffany, you have 3 days to respond to the original post, so check your notifications and follow the instructions I listed. And before I go, just a quick reminder, if the prizes aren't claimed within the allotted time frame, I will gift them to someone who's made a purchase from my personal website because I already have access to their address. Okie dokie, thanks again for watching, and I will catch y'all on my next random adventure. Bye!